my dear children. I am Aneesha. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter of third standard. A small beautiful story. The magic garden. All we love flowers. All we have gardens in our homes also. Different types of roses, orchids, bougainvilleas, marigold, etc. are the members of my garden. Like that, who are the members of your garden? Dear children, go to your garden with a notebook and write the names of flowering plants you have there. Are you ready? Okay. Then, there is a small garden in our schools also. Most of the times the teachers and the students are the gardeners. Gardener. Who is called a gardener? Gardener. Gardener. Gardener means a person who treats the plants in a garden. Okay? Then, one more question. Who are the visitors of a garden? Yes, birds, butterflies, insects, bees, snakes, etc., etc., etc. They are also the part of that garden. Right. Now, we will go to our story. Our stories took place in a school garden. Our garden is very pretty. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. What do you mean by pretty? Pretty means attractive or beautiful. Can you imagine who were the members of that garden? Different types of flowers are there. They are marigold, sunflower, poppies, pansies and roses. Every morning, the bright sunlight is flowing into that garden. You already know that the sunlight is an important factor for the plants. Because of this sunlight, the plants were very happy. One morning, the plants were talking to each other. What did they talk? They talked about that we have hundreds of gardeners. One plant talking to another. We have hundreds of gardeners. Dear students, can you imagine who were that gardeners? Yes, the gardeners here means the little students of that school. Okay? One fine morning, the plants were talking to the birds. What did they talk about? The poppy flower said, I love the little children very much because they were watering my thirsty roots with watering cans. Thirsty. Thirsty means the urgent demand of water, drinking water of our body. Here, in case of plants, the demand of water of plants. Right. Then the marigold said, the boys were digging our grounds well. They were good for us. So, we also love them. Hearing all this, a tiny bird, a small bird said, they were kind too. The students were kind too. They bring food for us. So, we love them too. Then the plant said, the children will come here soon. So, we want to dress properly or dress beautifully for them. Suddenly the sun said, I also help you for that. Why the sun said like that? Yes, the sun also feel very happy when he see the children were playing and running in its bright sunlight. Okay. When this chatting progressed, the children came out with singing and laughing. Suddenly the plants stopped their songs and listened to them. The children talking about their favorite flowers I love this flower, I love that flower, like that. On the last stage of the story, there is a miracle about this garden. What do you mean by miracle? Miracle means something supernatural. Then, what is the miracle about this garden? There is not only the plants, children, and birds in that garden, but also fairies too. Fairies. Here, fairies means angels. In that garden, angels too. These angels also love these children. Okay, children, this is your story. I hope you understand the summary. First, you read the story carefully. After that, hear this summary. Then once again, you read the story. Okay? Thank you, children.